Welcome to this video on using Duo Agent Platform. Today, we'll be covering one of the major features of Duo Agent Platform called Agentic Chat. Agentic Chat is a way of interacting with an AI model that allows you to not only get answers in your chat window, but also have the chat take actions on your behalf against the GitLab API. In this demo today, we'll be walking through an example of tackling an issue that's open in this project and seeing how Agentic Chat can help you in your day-to-day workflows. Before we get started using Duo Agentic Chat, let's make sure that our project is set up to properly use Duo Agent Platform. Heading over to the Settings and General section of our project, you'll see that there's a GitLab Duo section, and all the major features of Duo Agent Platform are toggled on, so we should be good to go using Agentic Chat. Heading back out to the main page of the project, let's go ahead and open a new Agentic Chat session. When you click on a new Agentic Chat session, you'll be presented with a chat window where you can interact with GitLab Duo. One of the major features of GitLab Duo is that you can also select which model that you'd like to interact with under the hood as far as interacting with your GitLab projects. In this case, I'll stick with the default of Claude Haiku. Now, all I need to do in order to start using Agentic Chat is to prompt it. I'll go ahead and ask it, what is the highest priority issue for me to work on in this project? Instantly, Duo will be able to look at the issues within your project and be able to provide you an overview of which issue is most important. Now that we have an issue that has been pointed out by Agentic Chat, let's ask it for an overview to gain more insights into what we'll be working on. Agentic Chat responds with the overview and also provides some details along with a solution and a status update for the issue. Agentic Chat is not only reactive to your prompts, it also proactively asks if it can try to implement a solution for this issue. I'll go ahead and respond that yes, I would like it to try to open up a merge request to try to fix this issue. Agentic Chat will go to work analyzing the project and the issue, and also trying to come up with the solution. Once Agentic Chat has come up with the solution, it'll respond with some information about the commit message that it intends to add, and it'll also show the diff that it intends to make in your code base. We can go ahead and review everything, and if everything looks good, then we can go ahead and click the approval button at the bottom of the chat window. I'll go ahead and click approve. Once I click approve, Agentic Chat will go to work actually committing the change to a new branch within this project. Next, it'll ask if it can open up a merge request. It'll provide me with the description that it'll intend to add to the merge request, and then it'll also show some of the API requests that it intends to make to the GitLab API. I'll go ahead and click approve again, and the result of this will be that Agentic Chat has implemented a new commit and opened up a merge request with that commit for me to review. Going out to the merge request in the URL provided by Agentic Chat, I can go ahead and review the changes that it has implemented for this issue. I can see that it has gone ahead and updated the code as described in the issue. And all I need to do now is wait for my CI/CD pipeline to verify that this new change is able to be built and that the tests all pass. Heading out to the pipeline URL, I can click in and review the status. Heading out to the pipeline view, we see that the build stage has completed successfully, so let's just verify that the test stage is able to run as well. With the job succeeded, we can see that all the tests have also passed for the project, so it looks like this change should be good to go. Thanks again for watching this video on using Agentic Chat. We hope that this overview has given you some good instructions to help you get started with this powerful feature of Duo Agent Platform. To learn more about Agentic Chat, feel free to review some of the links that are provided with the video below, and we look forward to seeing all the solutions that you're able to implement using Duo Agent Platform. Thanks again for watching.